Hey guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download ChatGPT as extension in your Chrome and how to use it. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, ChatGPT. ChatGPT for Chrome extension. This one. Then you will find this one, ChatGPT for google.com with this logo. Just click on this. After that, you can see here add to Chrome. Just click on this. Then add to Chrome, add extension. See, it's downloading here. Okay, if it's downloaded or not, let's check it. Go here, extensions, and you will find it, ChatGPT for Google. You must pin it. Just pin it and write here anything you can search, like what is ChatGPT. Press enter and you will find here your ChatGPT is generating. Wait, here's your ChatGPT, here's your Google answer, but you will find here your ChatGPT. After login, just login with ID and password. Now let's try again. What is anything you can. What is ChatGPT? Here's your Google answer, and you'll find here your ChatGPT answer. Okay, it is responding C. So this is how you can download ChatGPT extension on Chrome, and this is how it works. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.